Did you know June 19th is a special day in American history? It's called Juneteenth, a celebration of freedom and equality. Back in 1863, President Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation. It declared enslaved people in Confederate states were free, but news traveled slowly. In Texas, many enslaved people didn't learn they were free right away. Union soldiers were few, so enforcement was delayed for over 2 years. Then, on June 19, 1865, Union troops arrived in Galveston, Texas. Major General Gordon Granger announced all enslaved people were free, marking Juneteenth. Juneteenth combines June and 19th, symbolizing the end of slavery. It honors African Americans' struggles, strength, and contributions throughout history. Today, people celebrate with parades, festivals, music, food, and educational events. In 2021, Juneteenth became a federal holiday called Juneteenth National Independence Day. Juneteenth encourages reflection on freedom, equality, and civil rights. It reminds us of the ongoing journey toward justice for all Americans. Thank you for learning about Juneteenth with me today. Let's honor this important day and continue to appreciate its meaning.